Here's a psychology fact you're not ready for. Your knees aren't hurting because you're getting older. They're hurting because your brain has been lying to you about how to squat. Most people over 40 think knee pain is just part of aging. Psychologists call this learned helplessness. And once you understand it, you'll realize your pain isn't destiny. It's a habit your body picked up. But here's where it gets even worse. Here's the painful truth. Your knees aren't taking damage because squats are dangerous. They're taking damage because your brain chooses the easiest movement, not the safest one. Comfort over control. And this next part explains why your legs aren't growing at all. This happens because your brain defaults to letting your knees collapse inward. It feels easier. Your muscles stay relaxed, your joints take the load, and your knees suffer. Your mind thinks, just get down and up. But the reality is, if your knees cave in, your legs do almost none of the work. If that hit you, good. It means you needed it. If you want to break this cycle, start with 3 simple changes. Turn your toes out slightly. Push your knees out, not forward. Sit back first, then down. Do this, and your knees stop screaming, and your legs finally start growing. And don't forget to download your free, beginner-friendly workout in the description. It's built for strength, stability, and pain-free progress, especially for beginners over 40. Your squats aren't the problem. Your form isn't the problem. Your age isn't the problem. The real problem is letting your brain stay in easy mode. Switch to control mode, and your knees, your legs, and your confidence will transform. Like this video if you want more pain-free workouts. Subscribe for weekly tips, and share this with someone whose knees always complain. Keep training smart, and I'll see you in the next one.